Hello everyone, welcome back to another podcast of my channel. So today we have with us Sombit. So he scored GATE All India rank 37 in GATE 2020 in computer science, and currently he is doing his masters from IISc. So we'll have an interactive session with Sombit today. So Sombit, welcome to the channel and welcome to this podcast series. So this is named as Topper Talk, and thank you for accepting my invite and agreeing to make this session. So first of all, if you can just introduce yourself, like your background and from where you have come, a bit
Yeah,
brief
sure,
about
sure.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, firstly, thank you for your wonderful introduction. And then let's start with the introduction. So, as you know, my name is Shambit Ghosh. I did my BTech from West Bengal University of Technology in 2018. After that, I worked for 2 years as a software developer in a US healthcare-based company called Applied Research Works. After that, in 2020, I appeared for the GATE and I got scored in AI 37 in GATE 2020. And then I joined IISc as a MTech student, MTech coursework in the Computer Science and Automation department. And now I'm in the second year of my MTech. So this
Still
is
going on. Yeah.
all about it. Yeah,
You will finish this year, right?
yeah. I will finish in the 2022.
Okay. Okay. So my first question is that as you were working in the company, so why did you decide to go for GATE and pursue MTech? What was the motivation?
Uh, yeah, sure. Actually, I was working as a software developer in a company. So I my work is around the mainly in the in my subject in computer science. So actually, it's motivate me to learn more in the more depth in get more depth in the subject. So that's why I thought let's go for masters. So but the masters in the foreign country is very cost effective.
Yeah.
It's not very cost effective. So that's why I thought the gate is a very short task to do. Yeah, I mean the cost effective task to do. ISC MTech, yeah. So that's why I thought let's go for GATE and go for ISC because this is cheap, very cheap compared to the foreign universities
Yeah.
country. So
Okay.
main motivation is that cost, and also I want to get more knowledge in the computer science domain. So that's why mass MTech is I chose MTech.
And did you start preparing after your college or during college also you were trying for GATE but it was not happening?
Yeah, actually, the main part which helped me in my college, the semester preparation. During my semester, I prepared very hard for the semester, so that helped me to crack GATE in a very few years. But for the main focused on GATE, I took after the college in the 2019, I guess.
Okay, okay. After the college, you decided that you'll be going for GATE.
But the preparation has been started from the college.
Okay,
The semester preparation has helped me secondarily for the GATE.
okay,
So that's why.
okay. And like a lot of people has this doubt that has this question, like along with job, how to manage preparation. So if you just brief about how you prepared for GATE when you were working also, so what was your strategy that you followed?
Yeah, the main thing which I thought that the will be beneficial for me, that I dedicated at particular hours of my day to for GATE. Like I went to the office in the 10 a.m. and I returned back home at 8 a.m. So 8 a.m. to the 2 a 8 p.m. to the 2 a.m. is for the GATE preparation only.
Okay.
Every day for like 6 or 7 hours I dedicated for GATE. So and this become a practice after some time.
Hmm.
So that helped. The main focus is on that I dedicatedly invest 7 or 6 or 7 hours for the GATE,
Okay.
like 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. So that
Consistency.
it
You have to
helped me
do
very
that.
much.
I mean, consistency is
Yeah,
important.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. If practice, because if you first, it will be some, there will be some problem to maintain the schedule. But after some days, after a month or after a 2 month, it will become a practice. So
Right.
every day you will come from office and go for study. Come from office and go for study. It become a practice. So basically, enjoy the GATE preparation. That's it.
Yes, yes,
This is
yes,
the main motivation.
yes, yes, yes. And I think the weekend also is very important, right? I mean, whenever
Yeah,
you can.
I actually for me, but in weekend for me, but weekend is not a very good days for me, because in weekend I go out with friends,
Okay,
because in the weekdays there is a particular schedule I maintain,
okay, okay,
but in weekends I do not study usually. I did
okay,
not study usually because because I grew up my hometown and my office is also in Kolkata, so that's why I met with friends
okay.
and that's it.
Okay.
But
And
the main thing is that in weekdays there is a particular schedule I maintain every weekdays,
okay.
Monday to
So
Friday.
your main, I mean, the mainly you are considering the weekdays for your preparation, that schedule that you are
Yeah,
taking
yeah, yeah,
consistently for
yeah,
5
yeah,
hours. Okay, okay.
yeah.
That you planned. Okay. And did you take any coaching for your preparation, or it was fully self-study?
No, no, no. I didn't take any coaching.
Oh, it
It
was
only
fully
self.
self-study. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And I mean,
Actually,
yeah, tell me, what's
yeah.
your
Actually, I
opinion
didn't
on
get
self-study?
time.
What's your opinion on self-study or coaching?
Actually,
Yeah.
for me, it's my personal opinion, but I can't focus 5 to 6 hours like you can see in the coaching center. There is class for morning to evening. I can't focus entirely on the coaching. And also for me, I prefer books rather than teaching or online materials or
Okay.
video materials. So for me, I think that the self study is more beneficial for me because I did not refer any videos or something. I only referred the textbooks.
Okay.
So that helped me a lot.
Okay. Okay. So next is like how did you prepare your notes? Like you were saying, you are following these books and all, but I
Hmm.
think you might have your
Hmm.
own notes also, right? How did you prepare that?
Hmm. Yeah, actually, I did not create the entirely like all notes of all subject. I just zipped the all subject and prepared the summary for all subject,
Right.
and just make the summary of each subject and create the notes. Not that all the subject I entirely create, and also I took note of some good questions of previous year's gate.
Okay.
Like some of the questions are, as you know, some of the questions are very tricky. So I
Right.
just make a note for that this question is tricky, so let's go again this later, go again this question later. So that's why I just took note of this of that question. And also the another thing is that there's a note of Geek for Geeks. I very much referred that note because it is very concise and very useful for me, the Geek for Geeks
Okay.
CS notes.
Yes, notes. Okay.
That very this is very helpful, man. This was very helpful for me.
Okay. Okay. And how do you think that this previous year question, solving previous year questions, how much important it is for preparation?
Yeah, for me it was 100% important because it is the most important thing, I guess. Because GATE doesn't test you for all you as you know the all subject or not. You have to just remember the core concept of the each of the subject.
Hmm.
So you just have to get the idea how it is done, not exactly the to the point thing. You
Okay.
have to make the whole picture here. So that's why previous is the ultimate thing for the GATE, I guess. Because in my while my preparation I didn't appear for any test series or something. I
Okay.
only solved the previous years 5 to 6 times, and that helped that the thing only
Okay.
previous years.
Okay.
And also the previous years help someone to map the concept to the problem.
Okay.
So I this is if you do the previous years carefully, I think that is enough for GATE.
Okay. But
But
because
you have to do it 5 to 6 times,
yeah, yeah, as
not
many
only
times as
once that
possible,
enough.
as many times as possible,
Yeah,
I guess. I mean, maximum you can do 5 to 6 times because you have very limited time,
yeah.
but as many
Hmm.
times as possible. And I personally feel that whatever you're studying, if you don't solve the previous year
Hmm.
questions, you don't have any idea from where the questions are coming because it's not
Hmm.
coming from everywhere. Like suppose if you take a
Yeah, yeah.
you take a topic like subject like compiler designing, it won't come from
Hmm.
everywhere. This first
Hmm.
2 3 chapter like parsing, lexical analysis, there only the question will come. So this
Hmm. Hmm.
idea you will get while you will
Yeah, yeah.
practice the
And for
theory.
example, like that array is a very simple thing. You know array, everyone knows array.
Right,
But what kind of problem from array we can make?
right,
So
right,
previous is only help us to get the how to handle the array, how to think the array, the
right,
simple concept, how to think.
right, right,
So
right.
that is the most important thing, I guess.
It's kind of those pattern, learning those pattern, like which are the questions that are
Hmm.
coming. Yeah. Okay. So you didn't appear for any mock test. I mean, why? I mean,
No, no, never.
is there any thought behind
Actually,
it?
I didn't get time.
Okay. Okay. You're in. Okay.
No, it's just accident. But I bought some of the test series, but never get time to attempt that.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I just prepared. I solved the previous years. Honestly speaking, I just solved the previous year 5 to 6 times, or maybe more,
Okay. Okay.
and then go for game.
I mean, you are probably the second one.
Nothing.
I'm interacting. Like first one was someone who
Hmm.
got a all India rank 10, and he never got more than
I saw
40.
the video.
he never got more
I
than
saw.
40 in any of the mock tests. So he told me he was in 2015. So I was that time struggling. So I contacted him and
Hmm.
asking him how important is mock test, how much marks I should get. So he said I never got more than 40. But he was all India rank 10. And you are saying you have never given mock test. So I think that actually kind of a conclusion that mock test I think you should just give just to practice. I mean, just to if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
want to understand how to handle pressure and all. But mock test question will never come into the gate exam.
Hmm.
So there you
Actually, what I thought for the gate, the most important thing, you have to connect every subject.
right.
You have to connect all the thing. You have to see the whole that how it is happening, why compiler design is needed, how is loader is needed, how linker is needed. So we have to map all the thing, and previous years. This is enough.
Previous
This
year.
is enough for gate.
Okay. So next question is like you got this all India in 37 in 2020, but why didn't you join any PSUs? I mean, why did you decide to go for MTech in IISc?
Actually, as you know, all engineers dream into being IIT Bombay computer science. Everyone has
Okay.
a dream of,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yeah.
So I mainly prefer the IIT Bombay computer science because
Okay.
I have a dream to be in a just prestigious college like IIT Bombay and IIT Kharagpur something. But that's why I thought that go for MTech. But in our time, IIT Bombay go online, but IISc told us that they will go offline in that time.
Okay, okay,
So
yeah.
I joined IISc.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay.
But
So
main
that's why.
motivation is being the prestigious college,
Okay, okay, okay.
prestigious college like that.
And the next question is, I mean, obviously you just answered why am not IIT Bombay, why IISc? So just because online, offline, but I think both were
Yeah,
all
my first preference was IIT Bombay, but
okay.
at that time of admission, IISc told us that they will go offline.
Yes. And I
So
think
that's why I thought,
in 2020, yeah, Bombay was more affected with COVID than Bangalore.
hmm,
Yeah,
hmm, hmm, hmm.
yeah, that time was a bit.
Actually, our semester got delayed. They started in the September
Yes, yes, yes. They are.
because of the decision they took.
Yeah, yeah. Even I remember the PhD admission also got delayed till December
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
that time. Yeah. So yeah, that was it. So that's a special.
IISc never prefer online classes, I think, because
Yeah.
in now also they are going to the offline mode, but due to again the COVID constraints, they go to the offline.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay. So you landed there in ISC. Now, how was your experience in ISC so far?
It's
Initially,
very
how?
hectic.
Initially, how
Initially,
was?
I got devastated. I just think that this is not the place I belong. I have to leave. IS is a very tough. The first semester was very tough journey for me
Okay.
because it was from home. Also, as you know, the course pressures are huge, huge, tremendous, and from our background, we do not expect this kind of uh, course pressure. I never saw this kind of course pressure, so it
Right.
was very hectic. Sometimes I think that let's drop the ISC, go try another year in IIT. But eventually it works out. It's
Yes.
very rewarding, I thought.
Yes.
When I look back, I thought that some reward I get, that is very enriching.
So first semester, I think it was very hectic, and gradually people gets accustomed. I think. I mean,
Yeah, actually in third semester it was little bit easy to handle courses rather than the first semester. First
right.
semester was too much.
Yeah, because I think what I also felt because we are both from the same university, West Bengal University of Technology.
Mm,
So the problem is that our
mm,
study, the way we used to study in our BTech, is not the
mm.
same what demands IISc. I mean, IISc you just can't memorize few things
Yeah,
and go and just write it down.
yeah.
So
Actually, I thought that in our BTech our basics are not so strong.
mm,
That is a huge problem for us, I think,
mm.
because we know that linear algebra, we have studied linear algebra probability, but the basics was not strong. But in ISC the basics is very much needed.
Very important. Yeah.
Basics is very much important. So after, but it is not that anyone can develop the basics in ISC also.
Mm.
It is not that it is impossible to adapt ISC,
But you have to put a lot
but
of effort.
even
It's
put
better.
up a lot of effort.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
It's better if you have a good basics. Uh,
yeah,
then you come. But
yeah.
once you are put into that fire, you have to.
You will eventually learn
You
it.
will eventually learn. Yeah. And actually, the one thing I have also realized that you are not alone there in ISC. I mean,
Hmm.
everybody is struggling except 2 4 people who are
Yeah.
very genius. everybody's struggling. I mean, you.
But in our time, there is an exception that we are not even made our friends in that time. We are
But alone. Yeah,
studying
yeah.
from the in a home, so that's a very stressful situation, I guess. But for me, it was very stressful because I thought the only I am the person who are not capable for ISC.
Okay.
But after coming into the campus, I saw that eventually my neighbors is also struggling for the courses, so that's why it
Yeah, yeah,
relaxing a bit.
I understand because for us was like we had an offline class, so like after class we used to discuss that we didn't get anything. Everybody's saying we didn't get anything. What is going on? So yeah, yeah, that is the thing. And what was your experience? Did you appear for any internship? Or
And yeah, I applied, but I didn't get any.
okay, okay, okay. I think it was also
For the
that time, like
internship.
COVID time. That was the recruitment was
Yeah, recruitment was less, and also the CGPA cutoffs are very high for the
very
internship.
high. Okay,
So in first semester, I didn't get a good CGPA, so that's why I appeared for the internship, but didn't get any.
okay. And how was your placement experience? Like placement happened recently, right?
Yeah, placement last October the placements happened. The placement experience was very good because in the last year the placement was not good for ISC in the
Right.
2019-21 batch, but in our batch the placement was very tremendously good.
Okay.
Very high package companies are came, and placement was very nice as compared to the IIT, I guess.
Okay. Okay. And I mean,
And also the
how was your experience? That I'm saying, like slot wise.
yeah in slot one actually the play after start of the placement you will not feel that the placement is happening, you just appear for the exam, but the placement preparations phase, the before placement phase is very much hectic, and also you will I mean you can the preparation phase is very powerful phase, I guess, for
Okay.
me, because in that phase I have learned the more than two subject or three subject. It was like a 10 credit course in the
Okay. Yes.
before placement phase.
Before placement.
because because suppose you are appearing for data science jobs, you will learn the machine learning in your courses, but the before placement phase you have to again relearn it, and also you have to learn other things apart from the
Right.
uh, courses, like you have to do coding and other also. It was very pressurized for me, but the experience was good.
And when did you start your preparation for placement?
Yeah, the placements have started in October, so I started in September. 1 month is sufficient, but that 1 month is very much stressful, very much
Yeah,
stressful.
because your course is also going on,
Because
right?
yeah, course is also going on, project is also going on, final year project.
Okay.
But the one this those 1 month is compare is same as the two courses of ISC.
Right. 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 You have to
This is a
again,
very
reread
again
machine learning.
and also, and another thing what ISC demands that you should know coding, but you have to do again practice the coding
Yes.
also.
Yes. Yes. I mean,
The
at least
companies demanded
to
that.
some extent. I'm not saying expert level,
To some
but
extent,
you have
no,
to
no, no, just a basic level.
basic
You
level
have to yeah, you have to familiar with the problem, because the same
problem.
kind of problem they asked in the you have
Hmm.
to familiar the problem, the similar kind of problem.
Okay.
That's the main thing.
Okay. And do you know the statistic this time? Because a lot of people used to ask me this question.
Actually, what I know, but I'm not sure, but only 5 or 6 people are left for
Okay.
the placement because of some CGPA criteria, I guess, and otherwise the company, all people are in the CSA department is placed, I
And
think, but I'm not sure the
package
hmm?
wise, how much?
package is in the in the first slot that I am not sure of the package, but I heard about that 25 or 26 is the average CTC
CTC.
in the
Okay.
overall, but I'm not sure.
You have a gap of 2 years, right? 2 year or 1 year.
Gap means I'm working.
You're working. That's what
I'm
I'm saying.
working.
You're
Yeah.
working, but it's
Hmm.
not continuous like BTech and MTech. So, is there any
No.
problem related to that, or do you get any benefits because of your work experience?
There will be no problem, but I got some benefit because some of the company I got, they increased my package a little bit because of my experience.
Okay, 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 okay. So that is the one
But
advantage.
no, yeah, one advantage for me.
Okay, okay, okay.
That's
Because many people used to ask me this question that whether the gap is a problem or is there any advantage?
no, that doesn't matter in ISC. You know that there doesn't
Yeah, I
matter in
know.
ISC.
Yeah,
After
but
getting into ISC, that nobody cares about your past.
yeah, I seriously have dropped. I mean, I had 1.5 years gap, but nobody asked me this question.
Hmm.
Yeah, and I hope nobody will
Yeah.
ask me in future also. Okay, okay. So now I think you are now doing IISc, currently also doing. So what change you see in your life before joining IISc and now after completing almost 3 semesters?
After the 3 semester, I thought that before I see life was easy. Now it is become tough, and also that ISC have helped me. ISC had helped me to learn how to handle pressure mainly.
Yes.
Not any courses, not any computer science, but the mostly how to handle pressure, how to react to the adverse situation. So that is the main thing what I learned from the ISC. Is the most important thing.
And I think also one thing I also realized that, yeah, that is also one thing. And one thing I realized that after completing courses from IISc, it's easier in the future life to handle any kind of courses if you are put into
Yeah.
like any new topic. If you are coming out, you can easily adapt, because now I'm working in IIT Kharagpur that I can relate this thing.
Actually, ISC helped us to learn how to study and what to find.
What to find.
Where to find the, and yeah, which is the good course, how to evaluate a course, which
Yes.
is a good course or bad course. Yeah, that is it is the main main outcome from the ISC. Because in I what I have felt that in MTech course of nobody learns everything, nobody learns
Right.
a huge thing in MTech course.
Right. That's
You
not
have you That's not possible also. You have to credit 10 courses in ISC, so that is a very hectic task, but you learn that where to find and how to study that subject, how to think that subject.
right.
So
And
this is the
self
important thing.
dependent, like you can find your own
Self-dependent.
process and you can
Yeah.
study and you can meet the deadline somehow.
And also, yeah. And also the ISC courses have a good, like there is a project component in almost every course,
Right.
every course. So that is also a good thing. There is no separate lab component for the CS MTech, but in every course there is some projects.
There is a project.
So in ISC course, that is for very enriching, and also it helps you to be independent, that you can do a project alone, and the project is very huge. You know that.
Yes, projects, all the, yeah. I mean, I have seen the courses in IIT Bombay also, and what I can say is like they whatever assignments we used to do in courses, that are their projects, because I have seen their machine learning course. So they have a, I think, kind of image classification in their project. So that is our assignment in IIT.
That is a fast assignment in a course like NLP.
Yes. So yeah, that is the one thing. Okay, any tips for the future aspirants who will be who will be giving GATE this year?
Yeah, the main important thing I have felt that one aspirant should connect every subject of GATE. You have to connect that. That's why your concept in that way your concept will be clear. You have to. There is no separate subject called OS and architecture. They are basically same thing. You are viewing the world in a different way.
Right.
You have to just connect that everything.
Yeah, I can
why
still remember
compiling
I
needed?
have just one copy for both. I mean, I make
Yeah.
it by myself. There is two subjects, but almost similar thing. Memory is there.
Almost similar thing.
Yes.
Yeah, and everything you have to connect the data from data structure to automata to detail electronics. Connect every subject. So that is the main important thing for GATE, and that is the easiest way to clear the concept.
Yes.
What I have failed.
And I still remember in
And
2014, last time IIT Kharagpur made the paper. That was a horrible paper. So in that paper, they were also asking like this way, like they are combining pipeline concept with networking. Like when the packets are floating, can you use pipeline there to reduce the time? So this is how they are also merging the questions, different concepts in a particular question. So in that context, I think,
it also helps someone to build the confidence also, because you are not separating any subject. They are just all same. You are just seeing in a different way. And you can when there is a tricky question, like you can easily solve that using this kind of approach.
Yes.
Thought.
Yeah, maybe you are not able to solve it by the only networking concept, but if you think in terms of some other concept, you are able to get it. Yes.
Yeah.
That's a good. And during your placement, okay, that's it. Thank you, Sombit. Thank you for giving the interview. I hope you all the best for your future endeavors. I hope you will do well in your future job, whatever you're taking, ISRO or whatever you want to take, you can do. Maybe we'll connect after some times what you are doing. But thank you for connecting. And that's about this interview.
Yeah, thank you very much.